Hello! Today we're going to show you how you can get awesome Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home with the Linksys Velop Mesh Wi-Fi system. And some of my biggest frustrations with Wi-Fi at home is when I can't get coverage in certain rooms of my house, or the Wi-Fi signal is inconsistent or sort of comes in and out sometimes. Sometimes I even don't get the Wi-Fi speed through the router that my internet service provider says that they're sending. I'm sure that you guys have some of the same problems. Linksys Velop is a mesh Wi-Fi system that works by providing strong and consistent Wi-Fi signal via multiple nodes that are placed around the home. Now these nodes communicate with each other to ensure that you have a strong, consistent Wi-Fi signal wherever you are in the house. So, in front of me, I have the Linksys Velop Dual Band. Now this is the latest addition to our Linksys Velop family, and it's a great entry point into mesh Wi-Fi. This is the 3-pack, meaning it includes 3 nodes, and the 3-pack is probably more suitable for a 3 or 4 bedroom house. You can also get 2 and 1 node packs, which would be more suited to an apartment or a smaller bedroomed house. So let's open it up and have a look. If we open the box, you can see the 3 nodes here, along with the setup instructions and the power adapters, along with all the cabling that you need. And if we take out one of these nodes, you'll see that it's a beautiful, sleek design. It looks great. There's no need to hide it away like you might do with any other Wi-Fi devices and routers. It's designed to fit into any style of home. Now, on the back of one of these, you'll find 2 Ethernet ports that you can use for any wired connection you'd like, such as a smart TV or something similar. On one of these nodes, you'll be using one of these ports to connect to your internet service provider supplied equipment, your router. Linksys Velop works with all internet service providers. Setting up Linksys Velop is really easy, and the entire process is guided by the easy-to-use Linksys app, which can be downloaded for both Apple iOS and Android. After you've placed the nodes around your home, you're ready to go, but first there are some great features you need to know about. Parental controls let you schedule your kids' time online to make sure they're doing their homework when they should be, and of course you can restrict access to certain sites. Guest access means that you can create a guest network for a convenient password to give out when you have people over to visit. So, that gives you a quick overview of the Linksys Velop Dual Band. To find out more, visit linksys.com.